Welcome back to another episode of Southside Fishing, everybody. My name is Nick. Thank you for clicking on the video. If you're new here, what's going on? Hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. It's well, it's kind of a vlog style fishing video. I'm sitting in the parking lot at work at 6:43. I got a meeting until about 8. But then I got 4 hours to kill before I have to come back and actually work my real shift. So we're gonna fish. It's gonna be warm today. It's supposed to be like 50. That's the high. So, you know, hopefully we can get something. But before any of the fun stuff, I gotta go do the boring stuff, which is work meeting. So give me guys a second. I'll be right back. There's one. Up here, son. First fish of the day. That took like 3 or 4 casts. It's a little bit bloody, dude. This thing ate it so deep it was hard to get it out. Holy crap. Not bad. Go. Put him back.
Might as well do this.
Damn, I didn't bring a towel either, dog. Alright. So the main spot we were gonna try to fish, which is what on the lakefront, was still iced over. I just expected it to be melted because we've had 3 consecutive warm, sunny days. And I didn't think there was that much ice, so I thought it'd be melted by today. But it's still a lot of ice on there, and it's still closed. So we pulled an audible, and we came to a little creek. We just caught the first one. So hopefully we're gonna get some more. Stay tuned. Fishing kind of slowed down a little bit. I caught that one and then it was just like poop. I hooked a couple and they came off. Throwing that silver in dude, what? Were you hooking? John, that's dedication trying to get that spoon back right there, guys. Pure dedication until you fall in and literally fall in.
It's not happening.
That thing is wrapped.
I was hoping that branch would snap off when I did that.
Yeah, well, no, we've been fishing. It's been a little bit slow, but we're gonna. Okay, he just busted his shit. We're gonna keep moving upstream. I think they're upstream, but the current's moving left.
No fish it, boys.
No fish it.
Not the right rod for that. People
use
shit goes flying. Watch.
Deeper.
Look, all you need is 6 inches, boys.
He said, "Oh, that's all you need." They're sitting there, right on the bottom.
Look, you read it down, put it down in the middle.
There's one. No, don't jump. That's a decent one, yeah. That blue and silver again, dude. They're definitely not, dude, that deeper came in so clutch. Because I was about to move. Oh, that's a, no, it's not. Is it? There's another one. We finally possibly figured him out. We were letting it sink. Threw out a deeper, found out it was 14 foot instead of 5 like I thought. Let it sink to the bottom, and I got hit, and then I let it sink to the bottom again, and I got one. That's a good one. That'd be a good keeper too. No, it literally taunted him. Like he had it on the shore,
yeah.
Broke off, sat there for a little bit, and then It's not fighting like anything that I don't know actually. I think that, wait a minute. It's a shad. I looked at it at first, I was like, is that a brown? I got happy. There he is. Get off, please get off. There's one. Where are the coho at? There they are. Did you see that? That might be a coho. That's a coho. Yeah. That's a coho. No, it's fighting like a coho. No! Wait, it is a coho. Yeah. That's what we're here for. Dude, he's got a gash on his back. Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. I should have worn my fishing jacket, not my. Oh. They go really. Oh! And I just broke off. And the hook popped off. How does that. That fish was probably that big that it bent it out, that's why. Got the Cleos on deck, baby. I saw it. No, you're not. Actually, you probably are. Oh, there he is. There he is. That's a coho, too. There we go. Coho. That's a good coho, actually. Another coho. Goodbye. Is that a coho?
No.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Out here, we got so far the 2-man limit. But he's out here, he's always in propellers. That guy's awesome. We're gonna catch some fish still.
You got one.
He's got one too.
Look at the size of these.
So we're still out here catching fish all day. Overcast, that's why I think they're still biting because it's overcast.
Oh, he just jumped in. See it?
That thing, that's probably a big carp. Because with shadow, they'll run you. But that's how, that has like big, slow head shakes, right?
Get that net.
What is it? All right, well, we're heading back. It was a successful day, and it was a mildly successful day for me yesterday. So we caught some fish. We caught a lot of fish today. It was a fun time. before we get like 15 inches of snow is what we're supposed to be getting here today or tomorrow and the next day, and then it's supposed to get real cold. So fishing, needless to say, is going to be pretty trash for the next week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. So we got it in while we could, and we caught some fish, so that's always good. You know what? I'm gonna end it right here. I think I'm gonna end it right here. But first, before you do, follow my buddy Alan, AOA Fishing. I'll link him down below. And he's a cool guy. He's another YouTuber, puts out quality content. I highly suggest you guys go look at his stuff. Be much appreciated. And I'll catch you guys on the next episode of Southside Fishing. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. See you later.